Hey Caitlin, thank you again for sharing your writing. I commend you for working with the population of students that you do. That must be really challenging, especially for literacy, having to translate everything into a completely different language. So kudos to that. That's awesome. In your writing, I like the symbolism that you used for the Knights of the Round Table for your students, and I thought it was great that you continued that through your whole piece. So that was really cool. Down here, first thing, I just highlighted this typo just in case you wanted to use this for your portfolio for the final for the class. I think you meant to say I look forward to the adventures. Common mistake. Everybody makes typos. But the biggest thing is that in your agenda you asked for any way that you could add detail to make the organization flow a little bit better. I read through your piece a couple different times, and I noticed that I really never knew the target of your lesson until the very end when you started talking about you're looking for the claim and then looking at your lesson plan and looking at the target. So I wonder if at the beginning of your story or your narrative, you kind of make your target clear for the lesson and what you really are driving your students to look for in that mentor piece. But other than that, it was a really good piece. I enjoyed your lesson, and it seemed like it went really well. As you can probably tell, I'm a little sick this week, so I'm going to keep it short and sweet, but I think that would definitely help as a reader know, okay, with this mentor text, they're looking for the author's argument and analyzing the argument and the claim and different aspects of that. But other than that, really good. Thank you.